Today I'm going to show you how to check the condition of your wiper blades. Checking the condition of your wiper blades is something that I recommend doing pretty regularly, because the wiper blades is going to help you with the visibility when you're driving on the road and it's raining. Past due wiper blades, they're not gonna wipe the water off the windshield in a very effective way, so it's gonna reduce the visibility a lot, and you won't be able to see the road or oncoming traffic or any other car, in case of a possible accident. So that's something that I recommend doing, like I said before, pretty often, and it's something very easy to check on. So today I wanted to show you just a couple methods that are pretty easy, but they're very effective. The first one is obviously just doing the test with the water. Just pour some water on the windshield and then turn the wipers on. If you see that the wiper wipes off the water effectively, it means that the rubber and the wiper blades are pretty good. It's common sense. You just gotta use common sense. If it wipes off the water and you see pretty clearly that no water is left on the windshield, it means that the rubber and the wiper blades are pretty good. The other one, it's a little bit more detailed. So the other one is for you to check the actual wiper blade visually. So you gotta pop it up like this, and this section right here, this rubber here is what actually caused the wiper blade to wipe up the water off the windshield. So this is what you're actually gonna check. And the first thing that you want to make sure is that it's flexible. It's not like cracked or solid, like pretty solidified. If it's like very solid and very hard to move, it means that it's all dry. From the sun and all the heat and the temperature. So that means it's no good. The other thing that you want to check for is actual cracks on the wiper blade itself, on the rubber. If you see any crack, it means that the rubber is already expired. It's no good, and the rubber just starts breaking. Just like when you see on tires, the rubber will start cracking, and that's a dry rotted material, and that's not going to be very effective when wiping off the water off of your windshield. So just go ahead and lift it like this, just like how it did, and just get a feel for the blade, the actual blade. And if you see if it's a very smooth and flexible material, that's how it's supposed to be. It's not supposed to be hard. It's not supposed to be cracked. So as long as it feels like it's a good material, that you should be good. So these are two very simple methods, mainly visual. If they're effective, it's because we have good wiper blades. If you feel that they're not wiping the water off of the windshield very effectively, it means that you probably have a dry rotted wiper blade. The way you replace them are very easy, but I recommend just going to your local auto parts store. Most of them will actually offer a free installation if you purchase a wiper blade from them. They can help you. Every car has different sizes. Not every wiper blade fits every car, obviously, because some windshields are bigger than others. But that's something they can help you with. You can go with your car and say, hey, I need wiper blades for my car. They'll pull up the year, make, and model of the car and tell you, okay, you need this. And like I said, they'll help you with the installation. You'll see the difference, if you have bad wiper blades compared to brand new wiper blades. But again, make sure that you check them regularly, especially during rain season, because that's gonna keep you safe on the road. And you wanna make sure you have good visibility down the road to keep you safe. This is what we have for today, guys. Make sure you keep checking them regularly, every 6 months. That's what I recommend. If you don't have good wiper blades, just go ahead and buy new. They're pretty cheap. They're about $20 for a pair, so it's not a very expensive repair. So that's what we have for today, guys. We'll see you next time.